Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's kind of bittersweet spring break because we couldn't do a whole lot, but I hope you at least got to enjoy a little bit. Um, I did get to do some family game nights with my family and see them that way at least, so that made me happy. All right, so before we went on break, you guys did your the essay about going to college. And I just want to say for the ones that turned them in, which is most people, they were super good and showed some of the best quality writing that I've seen from all of you. I think really piecemealing it out helped us. Writing really thorough paragraphs helped us. Getting a little bit of feedback in between. So they were really good, and I hope you're proud of your work. For those of you that need to do those, get those in. Okay. So today is Monday. It is April 20th. Real quick, I just want to remind you to, we are in this new time. Tag us in your learning. So hashtag share your learning, tag Fessler and me if it's AVID or AVID related, or if you have me for science, right? Just so that we can see what each other are doing and, keep us a little bit sane in this time. Some other things. Okay, so Zoom. I'm not really getting a whole lot of people that really need help getting on Zoom office hours. I think a lot of you were just doing fine and didn't need the help. The ones that need the help are the ones that aren't getting on at all. So I'm going to go down to just 2 days a week for Zoom for us as a group. I am going to require one day. So one of the days is going to be a required day. So this Friday is a required day. I'm going to determine the time later, and I'll explain why. But I want to do a fun Friday with us. And then whatever other day, so then Wednesday this week will be office hours. So that's just if you need help, sign on. And I'm going to be determining times. That you have a Google form to do today that's going to help me pick the times that are the best for you guys. I want to make sure. Okay. And then the other thing that I'm going to introduce now for the rest of the year, at least, until I think it needs to be modified, is we need some sort of organization agenda check situation going on here. It is AVID. So it's going to be checked every Monday, just kind of like our AVID agenda check was. And I'm going to so next Monday, I'm going to look at how you kept organized for this week. And I'll go over that in a second. First, let's talk about the Google form you have to do today. So let me go ahead and pull up our calendar. That's not right. Okay, so this is this week. So the Google form looks like this to you guys. I just want to know your name, how well you're ready to be back. A lot of you told me about your organization that you use, so I don't need too many details. This one, I want to know, what specific times are best for you for Zoom office hours or a Zoom meeting. So they're in half-hour blocks from 10 to 4. Pick which one you'd prefer. That's what I'm wanting there. Okay, so that's assignment number 1, super simple. And then assignment number 2 for today is to figure out what organization system you're going to start this week. And you can always change it next week. So some of you are still you said you're still writing everything down in your school agenda. So if you want to keep using that, that's fine. If you want to use a digital one, it could be like the one that I send out, right? Like this, but you're filling it in for all your classes. It could be, I think I remember somebody saying that they were doing like a post-it each day. They were checking their email and they're making like a to-do list. That's fine. You can send me pictures of what is working. If it's working, you can make it, your own Google, like a Google Doc, whatever works for you. Just get it set up. And then what I'm going to want to see on it, I'm going to want to see, it has to show all your classes. And it has to show show me what you've actually worked on. So stuff being crossed off. So if you're doing it digitally, so say you did today's form, you would highlight it and then you go to format, text, strike through, in case you didn't know. So then it crosses it off, okay? So again, highlight, format, text, strike through, do it to unstrike it. Highlight things, you can circle things you didn't get done, but I am gonna wanna see that it's getting marked off, okay? I just want to make sure that you guys are like, a lot of you saying that you're getting multiple emails a day and you don't, it's hard to keep track of everything. And I totally get that. So we need to figure out a system that's going to work best for us. And then I want to see it. If you're working on like a really long assignment, like I know, like I think a lot of the history students are doing like they had a big slideshow thing where they're doing one slide a day. That's fine. So like just write project slide 11 on, I have no idea what you're learning about, on the coronavirus, whatever it is, okay? Just show me that you're writing stuff down, that you're keeping track of what you're doing. All right, those are the 2 things for today. And I'm gonna go back to the calendar for the week. So again, figure out your agenda situation, do the Google form. Tomorrow, I want to give you guys the time, for those of you that haven't, we haven't gotten an official date for the AVID applications, but if you want to work on those and get those submitted just so that they're out of your way, that's what I'm thinking. And then we're going to start our USCSB assignment. So I'll explain that more in the videos the rest of the week, but just so you can see what's coming. All right. Hope you guys have a good day back, and I will talk to you later.